Okay, now question number 5 of test 2, which is to write algorithm of Newton interpolation delta. The first part of the question is I'll write an algorithm to construct the difference table by eliminating data set to ensure that the interpolation point is at the beginning interval. So the algorithm of forward difference table or the delta operator is: step 1 is read the value of n, step 2 is for I equals to 1 to n read xi comma yi and the for loop. Then step 3, initiating first for loop, which is for j equals to 1 to n minus 1. Then the second for loop, which is for I equals to 1 to n minus j. Within the for loop for I, we will check if j equals to 1. If j is equals to 1, dij equals to yi plus 1 minus yi, else dij equals to di plus 1 j minus 1 minus di j minus 1. Ending both the for loops. Step 4 is for j equals to 1 to n minus 1, which is the first for loop. Then the second for loop, which is for I equals to 1 to n minus j, print dij. And outside the for loop for I, print slash n for an extra line. Step 5 is stop the algorithm. The second part of the question is obtain first, second, and third derivative from Newton's formula. So the first derivative of Newton's formula is f of a plus hu is equals to u0 plus u upon factorial 1 into del y0 plus u into u minus 1 upon factorial 2 into y del square y0 plus u into u minus 1 into u minus 2 upon factorial 2 into del cube y0 plus till the value of n till n. This will continue till n. Now the second derivative from Newton's formula, which is f dash of a plus hu equal to 1 by h into 0 plus del y0 plus 2u minus 1 upon 2 into del square y0 plus 3u square minus 6u minus 2 upon 6 into del cube y0 plus dash dash till n. This is the second derivative. Then the third derivative is f double dash of a plus hu is equals to 1 by h square into del square y0 plus u minus 1 into del cube y0 plus that's just till n. So that's the fifth question of test 2.